Have you ever wondered how to set up a custom domain for your Blogspot or Blogger website using Godaddy? Hello everyone. Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up a custom domain for a Blogspot or Blogger website using Godaddy. This is a great way to give your blog a more professional look and make it easier for your audience to remember your website address. Having a custom domain not only makes your blog more professional but also helps with branding and SEO. Plus, it's a great way to stand out in the crowded blogosphere. First, open your GoDaddy account and head to the domain section. From here, from this search section, you can choose your domain you want to use for your blog. It could be by your name, your blog's name, or anything that represents you and your content. As you can see your blogger extensions like .info or .co, .us or .design. Whichever you want prefer, you can buy it in GoDaddy platform. Once you have purchased your custom domain in GoDaddy, then you can link it to your Blogspot or Blogger blog. Purchase your custom domain on GoDaddy, then you can link it to your Blogspot or Blogger blog. So let's get started. First of all, we have to access your blogger settings. First sign in to your blogger account and go to settings, and under settings look for the publishing section, and here click on custom domain, and and now go to your GoDaddy account and here copy your domain URL and paste here, and don't forget to put www before in front here, www dot, and then click on save. After clicking save, you will get an error, and that's absolutely fine. This error message serves a crucial purpose. It helps you get necessary DNS settings, which we will use in the next step. And our third step is updating DNS settings on GoDaddy. Now let's go back to your GoDaddy account. Go to your business account, and here click on domain. Click on manage DNS, and here you will need to add two CNAMEs given in the error message on Blogger. And here scroll down. As you can see here, there are two CNAMEs. You can edit it. Click on edit, and for the name, go to your Blogger settings. For the name, here take as www. Already it is there. And for the value, take DNS destination. Copy the destination value and paste here. And then after you are adding your name and for the value, here destination, and then click on save. As you can see, it will asking your one-time password. After pasting your 6-digit code, click on verify, and you will get this success message. And now we have to add another CNAME, and for the value, copy the name and here edit this CNAME, and for the name, copy that value from Blogger settings, and for the value, copy the destination. Copy the destination and paste the destination value here, and then click on save. Pasting the destination value here, click on save, and again it will ask for OTP. Click on it, and after, as you can see here, our CNAMEs have been added. And now the next step is verifying the update. Once you have added CNAMEs on GoDaddy platform, verify your operation by heading back to Blogger and clicking on save. And now you can view your blog. Click on view blog. Yes, it will take some times. And now as a final step, ensure next step, the fifth step is setting up the redirect. As a final step, ensure that visitors can reach your blog even if they don't type www in the browser. In your blogger settings, under the publishing section, check the box that says redirect domain, and check this box, and setting is saved successfully. After that, in your blogger settings, under the HTTPS section, check this box that is HTTPS availability. And we have to check this and automatically HTTPS redirect section also been checked. And now you have successfully linked your GoDaddy domain to your Blogspot or Blogger blog. Stay patient if your new domain isn't instantly active, as it may take up to 48 hours for changes to fully take effect across the website. And now just click on view blog. Now we are getting this message, as you can see. And after some time, if you click on this view blog, as you can see, now our website is being live, and the blogspot extension is replaced by .com. In this way, you can successfully link your GoDaddy domain to your Blogspot or Blogger blog. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks. Until next time, happy blogging, take care, bye.